Hello, I am Tim Michael with Savillex Corporation. Many ICP-MS laboratories require ultra-low detection capabilities to meet the analytical demands of today's research, regulatory, and industrial needs. These applications necessitate the use of high-purity acid for standards, sample dilution, and even sample digestion. Due to the high cost of commercially bottled high-purity 10 ppt grade acid, ICP-MS labs all over the world are producing their own high-purity acid from low-cost 1 ppb grade acid, and these labs choose Savillex's DST series of acid purification systems for producing acid that is as good or better than commercially available 10 ppt grade bottled acid. Savillex's DST series consists of the 1 liter DST-1000 and the 4 liter DST-4000. Both systems are simple to operate, safe to use, and use the process of sub-boiling distillation to generate high-purity nitric, hydrochloric, and hydrofluoric acids. All wetted surfaces of the DSTs are made entirely from high-purity PFA, the cleanest material for ultra-trace metals analysis. As you can see, the footprint of both DSTs is extremely compact. They require minimal space in the fume hood, and other than the external controller, do not require any additional accessories to operate, such as a chiller. 1 ppb grade acid, often referred to as trace metal grade, is added to the DST through a conveniently located front fill tube. The liquid level gauge on the fill tube ensures that you know exactly how much acid is in the system. The acid collects in this PFA vessel that is surrounded by a heating mantle controlled by a variable temperature controller. On the DST-1000, 3 temperature settings, low, mid, and high, simply vary the acid production rate, not the acid quality. Even on the high setting, the temperature inside the DST remains below the boiling point of the acid, which means subboiling distillation occurs and high purity acid is produced. As the acid is gently heated, high purity vapor is produced and condenses on the walls of the upper part of the vessel. The dome shape of this condenser provides a large surface area for the acid to condense, as well as excellent air cooling to maximize production. The purified acid droplets on the domed area are collected by a channel that runs around the inside of the condenser. This channel guides the acid to a PFA transfer tube and collects in a 1 liter Purification PFA collection bottle. 2 vents allow air into the vessel to replace the acid distilled and allow air out of the collection bottle. These vents are both fitted with PFA membranes to prevent airborne contamination. The DST-1000 and DST-4000 produce the same quality of acid. However, there are several differences between the 2 models. As you can see, the DST-4000 have a much larger 4 liter vessel. The larger condenser generates twice the amount of high purity acid than the DST-1000. This makes the DST-4000 the right choice for higher throughput labs. 2 2-liter Purification PFA bottles collect the high purity acid generated by the DST-4000. The DST-4000 is controlled by an external controller with digital display. Distillation temperature is user adjustable between 40 and 90 degrees C. Again, always below the boiling point of the acid, so always producing high purity acid. Where other acid purification systems require precise setting of the distillation rate or rely on over-temperature safety sensors to run unattended, the DST-4000 features a liquid level sensor which automatically shuts off the system at the completion of a run, allowing for safe and truly unattended acid purification. Thanks for joining me today. For more information on the DST series or other Savillex product, please visit www.savillex.com.